All right, replacing this exact row here, row above it, no creasing. We kind of have to manipulate these two rows. We got the proper tool for the job, so we're not having to lift past 45 degrees or anything like that. There you go, snake tool. I'm gonna let Joel do his thing. We are at 2719 bow hunter. Hold on, let me take a little overview. 2719 bow hunter for Megan. Good to go. It's on there pretty good. Yeah. Up. I got some chunks of material transfer already happening. This is very crunchy. Real crunchy stuff here we're trying to work with. Material transfer. One more nail somewhere. There you go. Alrighty. I'm just gonna do little arrows to everywhere with chunks of material transfer. There's 3 chunks. There's There's some there. This is when it doesn't happen. This is when it happens. There, a large chunk. There, nail pull through. Exposed fiberglass, kind of just everywhere. So this is where it came up, but this is where it went missing from. Under here, I'm just gonna lift this. Oh, yeah, actually it's here. So here's some. Here's some. Here's some. Here's some. Wish it would focus. There you go. That's all good. And then this is becoming, you can kind of see, that's kind of cracking at the top. Yeah, that one's sort of, that one as well. Sorry, let me give you some. Bend it. There you go. Good?
No.
No? Wait. That one's just detached, isn't it? That one came undone. That one doesn't even have glue under it, does it? There's like very little glue there. So this one was kind of just hanging. This one creased. This one creased. We got new. Brittleness here, brittleness here, and a lot of material transfer, exposing that fiberglass from the surrounding shingles. Anywhere he unsealed, it tended to happen. So we've unsealed these two. Again, caused a lot of material transfer. It's all stuck to this one. Here's our new. There's a tab missing there. Tab missing there. Crease there. Crease there. A lot of spots we could have chose from, but we're just doing one. We don't want to proceed with how brittle each of these are. We'll just submit this for review.